Xiaomi speaker available on TridentZ without any additional cost. Xiaomi HyperOS connections. This is a speaker layout. It says 360 sound, IP67 water and dust resistance, NFC and 2000 mAh battery. Well, let's unbox it. USB Type-C. Manual. Wow. That's the USB Type-C. It's very thick. Of course, we do have a Bluetooth pairing, minus, play and pause, and power. Speaker, logo for an NFC, and rubber at the bottom to prevent sliding. Wow. The device immediately found a Xiaomi speaker. I didn't have to even touch the device. That's how quick that is. But let me show you NFC. Connecting. Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker. Wow.
There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. It's a star waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it. Let the children lose it. Let all the children boogie.
Whoa! It's even louder! It's very loud! There's so much bass. Wow, my ears are literally ringing. Wow. You cannot compare this device to any other small speaker. I'm talking about small. This is like my hand. Come on. So if you like a little bit of bass and clean, accurate sound, Xiaomi small speaker, and you have two of them, you can put them in stereo if you wanted to, is the way to go. I like it a lot. It's a good quality device. And that's all I have. See you next video. Link in the description. Bye.
Power! Xiaomi power!